heading to Larnaca from Heathrow. It's a 5 hours flight, and yeah, we're dead. We're dead. We woke up at 3:30, and 3 hours sleep is not enough. So yeah, the tiredness is killing me. Killing me softly. So we'll see you in Cyprus. Okay, my cousin thinks it's a good idea to put the bags in the seat and put the seat belt on. Welcome to Cyprus! Cyprus! Welcome! 100 checks from Cyprus flight pass and COVID tests and everything.
Too many checks. Is that a lolly? Hold on, gonna put hey. Hey.
मान्छेले होल्ड गर्नु गयो फेरि कसरी होल्ड गर्छ मासु चाहिँ च्याप्ने गरेर होल्ड गर्छ. We came to do massage. So I am ready to be zen. I am ready to be zen. How do you feel after the massage?
It feels all the parts of my body is relaxed.
Nice. So where are you going next?
To the beach.
Bikini time, bitches. The model in the house. Bikini model. Somebody get her.
What is supposed to be black?
Get her bikini model agency.
No.
She's all ready.
Are you ready for me? Hey, it is a salad. Would they cook a salad for me?
Still scared, even though I've done it like
What are
twice.
we doing? So we'll be parasailing now.
Parasailing. Gonna fly in the air like a bird. Oh my god.
Hello, mate. Hello, mate.
Can I see your ID? Can I see your ID?
Can I see your stick?
Do you want me to show you my pepper spray? Because I don't have a gun. So when you get a police
It's illegal. So we're ready to parasail, sister.
Ready to rumble. Ready to rumble.
We're gonna parasail like in heaven. Be grateful what you have. Be grateful what you have.
For the parasailing.
Be grateful for
the Cyprus one. This is the girl there.
Be happy.
Don't take us too high up, please.
Only 2 kilometers.
You can just do medium height.
Only 2 kilometers high.
What? 2 kilometers? Where are we going?
In the sky. Bye bye.
How was it?
It was very scary. But it was nice as well. When it wasn't too high. When we were coming down, that was the best part for me.
She literally screamed the whole
He
time
was singing Baby Rhyme.
to
That
calm
helped me
calm us
a
down.
little bit. I didn't once open my eyes when I was up there.
No, you did not.
So I didn't see any Cyprus Casino.
Was only one good thing.
Oh,
You've been in toilet before to fly.
yeah.
I know. Oh my god.
Lots of menus.
Just your plain one.
Like you literally scan the
It's
QR
saying
code.
grilled aubergine
and
puree
you
mixed with
will get the
sesame
menu.
pastry. No.
The lashes that can sweep Cyprus. What about that
Ira.
can sweep with the dress and one can sweep with the eyelashes. Lebanese cuisine.
But man.
The lamb world, the beef world, and the hummus world with a dessert on the house. Where are we going, Dean?
CK.
CK?
CK. Yeah. We're going to Calvin Klein show.
Driver, never let you.
No pork chop left here. Hey, just lamb chop.
I know. So big. Hi. Hi. I don't think she wants to. I don't think. I am crawling with my hands. I'm not swimming. Ashanya. Hi. Hi, Kudu. Hi. Hi, Kudu. Hi. Hi. Where's the blogger auntie? Insta model auntie. There she is. Lefkara village. Yeah, it's quite big.
Look, Ira. It's a doggy.
For the cake, but it's apparently closed. Testy's Cafe, crepes and snacks. We have no luck. We have no luck. Unlucky bitches in the town. Gusto bati ya recharge to What you say?
Goody needs to poo, and I need a wee.
And
I
she
need food. Are you kind of
Merry Chris. Daddy duty, mother duty, auntie duty. Look I look I know how
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
heading to Love Bridge. No lovers but Love Bridge. We're heading to. So nice, Lindy. Or is it that?
go?
We went to, where did we went to?
First we went to
La Bridge.
No, we didn't.
before that.
Cape Greco, remember?
We went to Cape Greco, but catamaran came in, so we couldn't float anymore. And my doornet got pierced by somebody's car.
From the dolphin? I don't think so. I don't think so. Bitches. Bitches. I will shame you. I will shame you. I'm gonna take it down with me. I had a hanging on your leg. Wait for me to...
A lot of crowd here.
You literally... Oh my god. Ladies, you must remember something. Oi, gostosa. Oi, I'm scared. Oh my gosh.
One eternity later.
How was the chariot chase?
Bloody hell. It was scary. I thought I was gonna drown.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That's on every ride though.
Again.
I asked my cousin to get me slushy, and there it is. The damn slushy. I don't know if it's a shisha or slushy. What is it? I'm telling my 9 million followers how I drowned today and vomited. I was so excited for this
Every
water
ride,
park.
why must you drown?
Why must I drown?
Why must you drown every
Why
time?
me all the time? Why me?
Sometimes we go drowning, sometimes we go drowning.
Bye, Bella. Bye, sister.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Baby. Bye bye. Well
Bye, Cyprus.
Missing someone